Hey guys, this is Yogesh from Team LetX, and in this video I'll be giving you a brief demo of what LetVidimaze exactly does and what LetVidimaze exactly is. So let's say you have a sales page like this. I've already opened a sales page, and as in a typical sales page there's a video at the top, right? So let's say a website visitors come to your video and he simply scrolls down. So you must have done a lot of effort, a lot of work in putting up this video, in creating this video, and as soon as the visitor scrolls down, all the efforts and all the work goes in vain, right? So this is what used to happen earlier. So now let me give you an example of a page that has LetVidimaze on it. Okay, so like this is a sales page. Okay, and as a user will scroll down, the video will keep going with the visitor, right? And the video will keep scrolling with the visitor. So this LetVidimaze is basically the world's first video conversion technology that helps to convert your traffic into leads, sales, and profits. Okay, so now how to do that? Let's say someone comes to your website page, a video will scroll, and it will chase your user, the website visitor, which will make sure that he looks at it, right? On top of that, let's say I have two segments on my page. Okay, this is about what the product does, and this segment is about the testimonials. So with LetVidimaze you can create two video Vidimaze boxes on your page that will give your website visitor a brief idea about what your page basically does. So it's basically a personal assistant, it's basically like a personal assistant which is walking your website visitors through your on a guided tour through your website. Okay, so now this may look a bit fancy and this may look a little tough to make, but honestly with our tool, with our product LetVidimaze, it takes under a minute to do so. Okay, so let me take you now to our product LetVidimaze. So here it is. This is the dashboard of LetVidimaze. Okay, and here you can see in the snapshot section you can see the overall stats, which is total campaigns, active campaigns, total visitors, clicks, and all. Now if you want to create a segmented Vidimaze campaign, that is the kind of campaign that we had, which had two videos depending upon the number of sections that you have created, all you need to do is go to our dashboard, create new and segmented Vidimaze box. Okay, now you need to enter the campaign name. Let's say demo testing. Okay, this is the page where I want to show my campaign on. This is the page that I want to show my segmented campaign on. Okay, so I'll simply go to my dashboard, demo testing, campaign display URL, where I want to display my page. Okay, where I want to display the Vidimaze box onto, simply copy this. I want to display my Vidimaze box here, so I'll copy this and I'll simply paste here. Now segment name. So segment name is basically the name of the segment that we want to have. Let's say demo. Okay, this is used to identify your segments so that you can see the preview for all the segments. The campaign title, it will be at the top of your Vidimaze box. Let's say, hey people, do you want conversions? Okay, now you can write here, this is subtitle, and as you can see the live preview is going on with it. Check our demo video below. Okay, now all you need to do is you need to enter a video URL. So how you need to do this, I'll be showing you. Simply go to YouTube, or you can even upload a video on your own. Simply find the video. For example, I'm looking for a video on Let Reach. Okay, so like this, I have a video here, right? I'll simply copy the video URL and I'll simply paste it here, right? Now intro line 1, I can write yes I want. Now you can either add a call to action or a form, but the form is a part of OTO1, and all the features that I'm gonna show you in this demo video will be of the features of front end only. So call to action button, let's say yes, and you can choose the action that you want, whether you want to redirect to a new tab, whether you want to open in the same tab, or whether you want to trigger a JS code in case you want to fire Facebook pixel and other codes. Now all you need to do is enter the redirect URL, let's say this. Okay, now you can add 2 call to action or 2 intro line, but for now let us just get ahead with one. The next settings is UI settings. We are a big fan of customizations, so as you can see in our previous dashboards also, you can do a lot of things here. You can choose a font, okay, for the title font, let's say, for the intro line, for the CTA. Then also you can choose the colors. Let's say I put this as red, the title, then I'm putting the subtitle as green, the CTA color as white for now, okay, and the background color a bit reddish. So this is basically, I can now choose the background settings also. I can make this I can either choose a solid color, or I can choose a background which will be a feature of OTO1. So let it be white for now. Then I can choose video control icon color that you see here. Okay, now this is basically one segment of the video. I've created one segment of the video. Now if I want to add more segment, all I need to click on is on create new. Here you will be asked to enter a segment XPath. I'll be showing you how to enter the XPath of the segment. So let's say this is a page, and this is a place from where I want to show the next segment. Okay, so all I need to do is, you need to install the LetVidimaze bookmarklet. You need to drag it onto your bookmarklet bar and just simply click on this. Now wherever you'll click will give you XPath of the same. You can simply copy this, go to the dashboard back, and enter this. As soon as you add this, a new segment will be created. Let's say testimonials. Okay, campaign title, check out the testimonials, campaign subtitles. Let's not fill campaign subtitle for now, because okay. Then again you need to enter the video. Okay, so I got this video again. I'll simply go back again. I'll simply paste it here. Call to action, yes, I like this. Okay, then again action redirect URL, again you can do the same. Now in every segment you can add 2 intro line, 2 call to action, 2 redirect URLs, but we will go ahead with just one for now. Now you can add as many segments that you want, and the UI settings as well as the advanced settings will be common for all the segments that you create. On top of that, you can also see the demo preview for the same by clicking show preview for the segment name. Now the advanced settings, we have already set some default settings for you, so advanced settings are mostly at default, but if you want you can make some changes also. Like if you want, you can change the vidmaze position from either as bottom right or bottom left. You can choose whether you want the video to autoplay on load or not. You can choose whether you want to make the default sound as on or not. You can choose whether you want to show the user the play pause button or not, and even you can choose whether you want to trigger on mobile devices or not. Okay, so let's keep it on for now. Save. Now the campaign has been created. We'll simply go to the page where we wanted to show this. This was a page, right? I'll simply refresh it, and now as you can see, a vidmaze box has popped up. Okay, and on clicking this, the user will be redirected where you wanted him to, right? Now not only this, let us check whether where we created the segment, is it working or not. Now as you can see, as I pass this point where I created the segment, the VidMaze box is changing, right? Check out the testimonials. Hey people, do you want conversions? Check out the testimonials and so on. Your visitor can even choose the segment where they want to skip, and they can simply move to that segment also. So this is like, as I told you before, this is like a personal assistant which is taking your website visitors on a guide to your website. Okay, so now if you don't want to create a segmented video, you can also create a simple VidMaze box. Simply go to VidMaze box, enter the campaign name again, let's say testing. Again enter the website URL, which is this, paste it, enter the title. Hey there, right? Now all you need is the 3 required fields on this form are the campaign name, campaign display URL, and the video options, video upload options. Whether other than that, all other fields are optional, and if you want to make changes, you're free to make it. But the 3 required fields are only the campaign name, display URL, and the upload options. So all you need to do is, hey there, enter the video URL here, let's say this. Okay, into line 1, yes, I want conversions. And call to action, yes. Go down, enter the redirect URL, which will be where your users will be redirected. Now I want them to redirect to a new tab. I don't want my current tab to close. UI settings, simply I'll change the color, red, green. The CTA color, let it be white for now. CTA background color, bit orangish. Okay, and I'll save. And this is how easy it is to create a VidMaze campaign. Also, you can simply create a VidMaze normal campaign without the segmented campaign, and it will take you a little less than 1 minute to create a campaign. And it works simply like a charm, right? And this will get you your visitors, this will help you convert your visitors into leads, further into sales, and further profits. So I'll give you a brief walkthrough of the dashboard also. Here you can see the campaigns that you have created. Okay, the unique visitors, records captured, unique clicks. You can clone, you can archive it. Clone is a feature of OTO1. Here you can see the segmented VidMaze boxes, and you can see this working on real time. I clicked 1 time on the CTA, the unique click is 1, and I was a visitor at the moment, so the unique visitor is 1. So the reportings are in real time. Then you can see library, you can upload your videos here if you want. Then in settings you get domain profile, website name, the domain you have entered, you can change the time zone, you can translate the skip to section that you had here, right, so that it can be user friendly, it can be multiple language friendly at the end. You cannot remove the branding from the front end, but in the OTO1 and agency you have the option of removing the branding. You can add a white label domain in agency. You can integrate an email autoresponder. This is again a feature of OTO1. You can add new users, and as you can see, our dashboard is you can add new domain and add new users. So our dashboard is completely agency friendly, but again that is a part of agency model. You can install the smart book marklet from here. This is where your pixel is. You need to paste this pixel on your page. If you have a WordPress website, we also have a WordPress plugin so that you can simply download it and upload it to your WordPress website. If you have a problem adding your code to the website, you can even mail the code to your developer. So this is how easy it is to create a VidMaze campaign from our dashboard, and that's it for today. Thank you.